Hey, good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning to you. Good morning, good morning, good morning to you. Good morning, good morning, good morning to you. Wow, calm down, Dave. Deep breath. Deep breath. Okay, come on. Come on, we got this. Back out on the trail, on my skateboard, listening to these beautiful birds. It's a beautiful morning. You know, my whole life, from hopping trains, hitchhiking, not going to college for a year, and not having a plan. I've never had a plan. The journey was the plan. It was always, I actually resented this guy that gave me this advice once. He's like, hey, Dave, it's all going to work out. Everything's going to work out the way it's supposed to work out. I was like, thanks a lot, Bob. So helpful. Thank you. I was being sarcastic. There's anger in sarcasm. It's passive aggressive. But the way I've done everything, from this Monko Discord to every aspect of my life, there's been very little planning. I'm very spontaneous, as they say. Super spontaneous. Super duper spontaneous. It's like, let's go. Let's figure it out later. Let's just do it and ask for forgiveness later. Let's just do it. Let's ask for permission later. Let's just go. Let's go. Keep moving. Come on. Keep moving. I have a lot of anxiety. A lot of anxiety and stress when it comes to planning. I don't like it. My skin starts to itch. It makes me very uncomfortable to plan things out. There's no accountability when you don't plan. When you just freestyle, let's just freestyle. Then there's no expectation, there's no accountability. It's like there was no plan. But when there's a plan, that comes with expectations, that comes with my workaholism, my perfectionism, all my isms come with it. So what is it, Dave? It's Freestyle Forever or Super Duper Planning? Well, it's funny you ask. One is black, one is white. There's the gray. We're going to keep talking about this. You guys know what the color whales are? Gray. That's the gray. We live in the gray. We live in the Monko. Shikoba dosume. All right? So I'm going to ask you guys again for help. Oh, Dave, you literally ask us for help for everything. Yeah, I'm a sick person. I'm not doing good. That's why. So I'm going to ask you right now, because people keep asking me. I just went for it, right? And I do. Look, I know I'm poor at planning, so I ask for people. I pay people to work for me to help me plan. But at the end of the day, they still come to me and go, what's your master plan? So I go, look, this isn't about me. This is about community. We're all here. We're all lifting each other up. We're all supporting each other. I'm here for you. You're here for me. So let me ask you right now, what's your plan for me? I'm asking you for your help right now. What is your plan for me? I'm putting my hand out saying, I need you to lift me up. Well, what are you talking about? What is this? This community is going to be whatever we make it. It's not my plan. I have a plan. Things have gone off the rails multiple times already, so I'm not going to try to control it. I shift with the tides. But in my effort to live in the gray, I'm asking you, please write down, and it could be a few words, a few sentences, or you could go, full in and write like 10-page report or whatever. I'm not going to tell you how to do it. I'm just asking you. Hold on. I'm getting embarrassed because there's like a lot of people looking at me talking on my phone. I'm going to skate away from that. Hold on. Morning. Okay. Safely away from people. Okay. I'm asking you, help me. What is this? What are you talking about? It's very vague. Saying, what is this? I didn't know what Discord was a little while back. Now I'm on here all the time. Where do you guys want this to go? I'm asking you to help me come up with a Monko 2-year plan, 5-year plan, and decade plan, 10-year plan. Write out where you want this community to be in 2 years, 5 years, and 10 years. Doesn't have to be detailed, or it can. But let me know. Let each other know. Let us know. Share it here. Let's come up with something together. Let's plan together, knowing that we don't have to stick to it. We can always go off. But for right now, well, let's not be rudderless. Let's come up with a skeletal framework. Let's come up with a structure, okay? Thank you. Dosume. Shigoba.